Good morning, everybody. Christopher Small coming to you live from Mesquite, Nevada. And I think you already know this, maybe if you saw my video yesterday, but here on a little mini vacation, playing some golf and watching the Jayhawks, playing the NCAA tournament, cheering them on. So put them in your hearts and your minds today, okay? So we need some help. But I'm staying here at an Airbnb, and I wanted to kind of talk about that. It got me thinking about how the things that we need to do to protect our real estate from sort of ruining our personal lives. What a lot of people don't think about or know maybe is that when you own a piece of real estate and it's not your home, or well, if it is your home too, but usually your home is different. But when you own a piece of real estate, if something happens there and you are responsible for that thing, let's say, I use the classic example as the worst case scenario. Let's say you're renting it out. Let's say you're doing an Airbnb like this, and some crackheads come in for the weekend and just crush the place. It blows up. It blows up all these other properties around us, ruins this beautiful pond behind me, and you're on the hook for $1 million. Okay, let's say if you are responsible for that, not only can those people, whoever is coming after you, come after the value of the real estate of this piece of property, they can also come after your personal assets if you don't prepare correctly. And a lot of people sort of miss that point, and it's important, mostly for peace of mind, more than anything else. The reality is, the first way is, if you have a mortgage on your property, you're not going to be able to do way two. Way number one is really just to get an umbrella insurance policy, and also make sure that you've got really great insurance on the home itself, so that you can just be protected from any of this stuff just by straight up insurance. That's why insurance exists. Okay. The second thing that you can do is, if you own the home outright, you can put it into an LLC. What an LLC does is it breaks that sort of that chain of ownership from you personally, and puts it into that corporate structure. And when it does that, then your personal assets, your responsibility for that personally, is diminished significantly. It doesn't go away 100%, but you can pretty much get it really, 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 really close, assuming that you don't actually go out there and do something dumb that causes the problem that results in the lawsuit. All right. So if you own a home or own rental properties, and you haven't covered them in either one of those two ways, then really think about it. If you have more questions, you can always reach out to me, Chris at cmslawfirm.com. Call 206